Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 or X4 generation from year 2010 to year 2017. If you guys want to see how to replace windshield wipers, what are good wipers, where you can buy new wipers for a really good price and quick shipping, we're using Bosch German made wipers. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you guys have a BMW, you want to buy parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So that's what we have specifically here, guys. Okay, check it out. Those are the new wipers made by Bosch. They're amazing. Comes with different adapters. It explains how to use them, but in order to fit the BMW X3 X4 adapter, we're going to get a screwdriver here, pry just a little bit, okay, to get that adapter out now. Okay, it comes out, and now it's very important to follow that instruction. Here you have an arrow, okay, and when you get the new adapter, okay, that's the one that we need. You need to align that arrow with the one there. Okay, check it out now and put it in. Now, we have two wipers ready. How do you replace them? It's pretty simple, by the way. You gently lift up here, okay? Lift up. Careful not to scratch your hood there, okay? Lift up, twist it about 90 degrees, remove it. Now we're going to get the new wiper. You need to install it with the arrow pointing to the right. Okay, put it in. Check this thing out, they're aerodynamic, so they have kind of like a spoiler to keep them down, okay, while you're driving, so they can have pressure and clean better as well. Now the next one, lift it up gently, pull to the side, perfect. Go ahead, install, okay, that one now. Alright, and now if you see right here, we're ready. That's how simple it is. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to do that on a BMW X3 or X4. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.